Welcome to this exploration of Surah Az-Zukhruf, or the Ornaments of Gold. The surah's title, derived from verse 35, signifies the distinction between the superficial glitter of this world and the eternal weight of the truth. The surah was revealed during a critical period in Mecca, where the hostility of the Quraysh had escalated to murderous plotting against the Prophet ﷺ. Verses 79 to 80 provide a divine response to their decided plot, reminding us that Allah destroys the wicked who block the path. The surah exposes a fundamental contradiction among the polytheists. While they admit Allah is the creator, they insist on assigning partners to him. The question remains, if you acknowledge the source, why do you worship the shadows? Another baseless belief was the attribution of, quote, daughters to Allah, referring to angels. This is ironic, as they viewed the birth of a daughter as a source of shame for themselves, yet attributed this to the majestic Allah. The surah challenges their fabrication, asking for proof of this gender assignment. The Quraysh made the excuse of determinism, confusing Allah's permission with His pleasure. Actions like theft and murder occur under Allah's universal will, but they do not please Him. To know what pleases Allah, we must look to His revealed books. The Quraysh often justified their errors by saying, "We found our fathers doing this." The surah rebuts this by reminding them of Ibrahim, who rejected his own father's idolatry. They should follow the legacy of the one who broke the idols, not those who carved them. Their objection to the Quran was social and material. Why wasn't it sent to a great man of the two cities? The divine answer is that Allah distributes His mercy as He wills. Wealth, or Zukhruf, is mere decoration of this worldly life, insignificant to the divine. Pharaoh made the same error as the Quraysh. He mocked Musa alayhis salam for lacking gold and an entourage. The gold did not save Pharaoh, who was drowned, while the man with nothing but the truth was saved. The Quraysh pointed to Christians worshipping Isa alayhis salam as an excuse for their own idolatry. The clarification is that Isa alayhis salam never claimed divinity. He was a servant. One cannot justify idolatry by pointing to the errors of others. The reliance on, quote, intermediaries is dismantled. Allah is one, and He is far above having children. Those they call upon have no power to intercede. Intercession belongs only to those who witness the truth, by Allah's permission alone. Zukhruf, or gold, is the test of this world, not the standard of the next. The plotters against the Prophet ﷺ will face their consequence. The truth stands independent of wealth, lineage, or stubborn denial. In summary, the themes include divine sovereignty, responsibility for our choices, the contrast of wealth versus worth, and the certainty that history repeats itself. Material status is not a sign of spiritual rank.